It's been a long time, but I'm back, and I'm back with a face, you know the voice. This the Paint Guy. I'm back with another video. Not only is this gonna be a video, this the first episode of the budget build. I don't know if you've been following me, but I do have a 1975 Chevrolet Caprice convertible, and we finna do a budget build. I wanna show everybody who got a car in their garage, backyard. Don't take it to the junkyard. You love your car, your people talking about get rid of it. It can be done. Everybody online, I'm following all these Don't Ride or Die Facebooks and everybody think $100,000 this, $100,000 that. All good, but you ain't gotta be rich to do this. And we finna do it. Enough talking. Oh yeah. We gonna walk over to the car, show y'all a little something. But this that 75. Some rust there, take that off, we're gonna fix that. Got a little body work started. I'm sanding, getting it down. That's what you see the guy coat on now. Top all messed up. Hood up there. Interior shot. We gotta get a new fender. But this is the better one. They both messed up. This is the better one than the one over here. See, the one over here is all shot. It looked like this because, you know, I took it down, grind it down, and this all what's underneath. Look at that. Look at that. I'll be damned. That's all Bondo previous. Like I said, in 1975, this is 40-something years old. But I got a fender for this one. And if don't fenders, they be waxed. And I paid $300 for my fender. From the Georgia boys. I link his name too. He good people. You know, be having them don't parts. I'll try to holler at him, see if he got another fender. If he do, I'm gonna get it for this side, but this is a better one. Just that damage up there, but I might fix it if the budget's too tight. But I'm gonna show y'all that fender over there that's so messed up that we ain't finna try to get that right. That's a door for a Cutlass. It's a hood for a Cutlass. You need a hood for holler at me. But this the other one. I got from a man, AC Scott. I think that's his name. I'm gonna link him in, I'm gonna plug him in on this video. You know, it need a little work. But it was coming down to the Tooth Fly and Don't Mess and them show. I was in Florida. It was coming down from South Carolina. I said Georgia, but South Carolina, and bam, they plugged me in with that. Let's go back to this dump. Need body work over there. Need a new top. I ain't never do a top. You know me, I want to go to Joy's, get me a top done. But if the budget ain't there, we gonna be doing the top ourselves. Let's get to the drivetrain. The original 350 in here. You know, 2-barrel carburetor, got that over there, so nothing don't go in there. And saw rusty and, you know, out of shape. Battery tray, surface rust. Gonna go in there and clean it up. Man, let me give y'all the backstory. Well, the backstory is, you know, everybody got big dreams. You know, I wanted to come out and 30-inch forges and big blocks. And so, you know, I got a big block here, some heads there. But ain't no budget for that. Just the budget build. So we going with the original motor. A little goodies that I already done brought. Let me show y'all. Because that's a 2-barrel. I can't keep the 2-barrel in there. I gotta put a 4-barrel aftermarket intake. But this is a budget build, so I already went and got some parts a couple weeks ago, piece by piece, for the build. And this is it right here. Like, I need to clean up because I ain't been here. You know, that's why I ain't been getting y'all no videos. But I'm here. Hey, $100 off offer up for this here. $41.50 or $41.60. They told me their backstory on how, what it was and all that there. So hopefully everything be what it is. And I'm gonna install this. Paid $100 for this. This retail new for $500. I paid $100. So nip that in the bud if it is what it is. And this can't put the 4-barrel on the original 2-barrel, so I got this. I was having to send a dude had a garage sale, but he had an old Corvette outside, so I hollered at him, asked him, do you have an intake? Cause a lot of people who into cars and race cars, and he had on a race car shirt, so he ain't had this stuff hanging out at the garage, at his little garage sale. He had other stuff, and some of it wasn't even car related, but I seen he had an old Corvette with him a race car shirt, so I asked him, hey, you wouldn't happen to have any intakes around? Sure enough, he went in his garage and found one. He said he had this. He said it was brand new, never used. I checked it out, asked him how much this was. He told me $80. Got him. Brought it. No questions asked. Let's take a look at it. So far, man, $80 for the intake, $100 for the carburetor. That's $180. This is a Street Dominator. They discontinued. I looked them up. These retail, they were selling for about $300. Hold on, let's get this back out of there. Anyways, it's brand new. Look at that Street Dominator. Let's get it out. There we go, Street Dominator. Got this for $80. I'm in at $180, under $200 for the intake and carburetor, under $200. This is a real budget build here. Let's do it. Gotta go on and get this thing running, cleaned up, looking better than this. I don't know if that fuel pump right there work. I don't know if that water pump right there work. Finna figure it out though, clean this thing up. Let's get it going. So greasy. Got some of this, you know, the budget one. I really advise everybody, shouldn't be doing this, but you know, promoting all this. But I got this from my cousin, cause this is a budget bill. But I would get the Gump. I done had that, but I ain't buy none of that. I got this from a cousin. Engine degreaser. So what I did buy, straight out of Walmart, Simple Green, you know, non-toxic, biodegradable formula, economical, and you can dilute it to save us some money. But I don't ever be getting around, because like I said, I be busy. I'll be in Walmart thinking about my goddamn car for the budget bill, and I already bought some, you know. Since I'm so cheap, and I just bought that today, should I take my receipt, take that back? Since I already got an old new one? Nah. I can't be wasting it. Wasting money. It's green money. Now we're going 100%, man. We ain't playing no games. It's some pretty good stuff. Simple Green. They ain't paying me. I don't care. They make some good stuff. It's all kind of other stuff you can go get. If you know something better, put it in the comments. Put the prices down up. So everybody watching this video can do it better and cheaper than I can. Cause I ain't had the knowledge that it was more stuff that's better than this out there for cheaper. But once you read these comments, they're gonna figure it out. hitting up there because we're gonna get new valve covers, new carburetor. Ain't no carburetor there now, but a new intake, so they ain't really gotta be cleaned up. And I don't want too much liquid and formula going over there, so I'm gonna just keep that dry because we taking that off anyways. But down there, we're gonna get a new water pump and stuff, but you know, we just getting these brackets, everything cleaned up so we can start it up, paint it up, get it popping. Oh yeah, and for everybody who discriminating right now, like, man, if it was me, I would have took it out and stroked it. This video ain't for you, cause this is the budget bill, or it is for you if it's just entertaining to you. But we trying to get something going in real life for the ones who got a little hope, got a little willpower, want to learn a little skills, get the job done, get it done right for a smaller price. So we soaking it. Yeah, ain't right. Yeah, we cleaning. Yeah, we degreasing. Oh yeah, I got degreasing. Cheap stuff too for the budget. And some simple grease to save you money. All that grease, get all that out there. It's just a simple green. I ain't put the grease on. I'm gonna scrub it, wash this down, the grease, let it sit, wash that down, see where we at, start painting them up.